In this video, we will learn how to create subscribers from MS Excel to Constant Contact automatically. So let's say you are getting the leads from different sources and you are adding them to MS Excel application. Now, whenever you create a contact here in MS Excel, you want to automatically create a subscriber here in Constant Contact email marketing software so that you do not have to manually upload the email subscribers list to Constant Contact. Now, to create this automation, I'm going to connect MS Excel and Constant Contact with the help of an automation software. Follow this video till end and you can also set this automation for yourself. So this is the website of that automation software, Pabbly Connect, with the help of which we are going to connect MS Excel and Constant Contact application. Now, you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach the link in description box. Now, first create your free account from here and you will also get free task in the free account for testing this automation. Now, click on access now. I am already an existing user, that is why I have clicked on sign in. Now, once I will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, we are going to start creating our automation from this button. Click on this button, create workflow, enter workflow name here. So provide the name to your workflow. I have provided as create subscriber in Constant Contact from MS Excel automatically. Click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you. Let me show you these two boxes, okay? Trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So basically, we need to select the application in which we need to set the automation. According to our use case, we want whenever the contact is created in MS Excel application, add the same contact. Basically, create the subscriber in Constant Contact application. That is why here in Choose App, I am going to select Microsoft as my trigger application. Okay, let me correct the spelling. Here is the Microsoft Excel application. And in trigger event, I am going to select, I want that whenever the data is added, whenever the new contact is added in worksheet, that is why new row in worksheet will be my trigger event. Now click on connect. Okay, I am selecting this existing connection because I have recently made the connection with it. Okay, you will have to select add new connection and provide the access. Okay, if you'll be already logged into your OneDrive account, it will be authorized immediately. Okay, click on save and you will see the Microsoft Excel application will be connected and you can see whatever the workbook are available into my account has started visible here because I am connected. My workbook name is all subscriber list. That is why let me choose the same. Let me search for the same all subscriber list new. Okay, and in worksheet, well, I have just a single sheet here, so I'm going to select the same. Well, it has already selected it. Now click on save and send test request. But before I click on this button, let me tell you, once I click on this button, it will capture the recent contact which I have added to my MS Excel application. So let's say I am adding a new subscriber here. Okay, dummy user is the name of the subscriber and email address is admin@pabblytuts.com and here is the number, just a random number. Okay, so I have added the details. Now going to click on this button, save and send test request, and you will see the recent data, the recent contact will be added here. You can see the row index is here, dummy user, admin@pabblytuts.com, and here is the number. So now onwards, whenever you will add the details here, it will be captured here in Pabbly Connect every 8 hours. Okay, read the instructions. This trigger will check for new data in every 8 hours. So sometimes it will not send you the details in real time. Do not worry about that. It will send you the detail in next few hours. Okay, so just have a little patience. Okay, now let's proceed further. The first step of our integration is actually done. Now I'm going to add the details in Constant Contact application. In case you want to upload the contacts in different email marketing software, let's say in MailChimp, in ActiveCampaign, you can add the same. You can select the same application. Now I want to create a contact. That is why I have clicked on that. Click on connect, click on add new connection, connect your constant contact account with Pabbly Connect. Again click on this button and provide the access of your constant contact account. I have already logged in. I was already logged in, so I am clicking on this allow button, and you will see the authorization is successful and my constant contact account is connected now. Now it is asking me to select the email list. Well, I have just a single list. Let me show you. Well, this is the contact section and you can see I have single email list. Let me create a new list here. Okay, giving any random name. Let's say I'm giving the name as random email list. Okay, all right, click on save. And since my account is connected to Pabbly Connect, so I'm expecting this list to be appear here. Let me refresh it first. Okay, let me check, and you can see the random email list has appeared here. Click on that. Now it is asking to fill the email address of the contact. Well, read here, enter text or map data. So we are going to map this particular data from where, insert the data from previous step. So basically we're going to map the same response, the same details here, and we don't need to copy the data and paste it here. You can simply select the details right from this drop down section. Well, here is the email address of the person. Okay, permission, well, I have already asked the user to send the email. First name, last name, let me map this also. Well, in my Excel sheet I have added the field of full name only. That is why I have this full name, not first name and last name separately. That is why I'm adding the same, I'm mapping the same. Now it is asking to fill the job title, company. I don't want to fill all these details except the phone number. Okay, so let me map the phone number as well. Here it is, the random phone number. Now finally I have filled all the details in order to create the contact in constant contact. Let me click on this button and wait for the response. And the response is received. Let me check my constant contact account. Okay, let me refresh it and see whether this particular contact is created in constant contact account or not. Fingers crossed. Amazing that the contact has created automatically. Here is the email address, here is the first name, subscribed, and here is the date of added. So this is how, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can automatically upload all your subscribers right from the MS Excel. As soon as you will add the details of contact in MS Excel, it will be reflected in next few hours in constant contact, that too automatically. You do not have to do anything manually. Just provide this sheet, this Excel sheet, to anyone in your team member, and as soon as they'll update the sheet, the data will be recorded here automatically. In case you want this particular workflow into your account, I'm going to attach this shareable link of this workflow in my description box. You can click on this link and clone it into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And let me tell you one more important thing. Once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, simply close Pabbly Connect, because Pabbly Connect will do its job in backend, and this is the power of automation. Well, lots of people ask me about this, that do they really need to do any particular setting even after creating this automation? Well, again I'm telling you, you do not have to do anything manually. Everything will be done in backend in automation. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.